Hello everyone, my name is Ciaran Connolly and I'm the founder of ProfileTree, a leading content marketing and digital agency based in Ireland. We help clients develop a strong online presence through professional website design, SEO and engaging content creation. But that's enough about us. Here are 5 things you need to create a highly successful career in the AI industry. Number 1, keep testing AI tools. While AI tools are brilliant advancements, we also need to recognize that many of these AI tools are still in beta mode. We are constantly testing new AI tools in the market and evaluating their performance. 2, communicate change effectively. When employing AI tools as part of everyday business tasks, top-level communication is essential for navigating this change. Employees will undoubtedly have concerns and there's a natural resistance to change how we usually work. 3, allow for trial and error. When we started adapting AI tools as part of our strategy, we didn't just demand that our writers create more content in unrealistic timescales. We allowed them to experiment with AI tools, allowing for trial and error and supporting them as they learned how to master this new AI platform. Number 4, use it to aid, not replace. We see AI as a tool to aid us in the creative process, not replace us. Instead of staring at a blank screen, we now have something that can produce a first draft, generate ideas, and essentially get the ball rolling. 5, ensure a consistent standard. Another major concern for us was to ensure a consistent standard of the quality of the work that we produce and with the integration of AI tools. We've excelled in this. We now use AI within content creation to complement the creative process and lend a helping hand. Our ethos as a web design and digital marketing agency is to stay one step ahead of the latest tech advances. And we know that AI is the next evolutionary step in upscaling marketing and web strategies. We believe that the only people who need to worry about AI are those who are not using it.